Hey crew, and happy Monday. Today we got a cooking vlog. Really not going into details. We just gonna cook. So we're gonna do some fried cheesy potatoes, some fried chicken, and on this chicken, I season the chicken with hot sauce, black pepper, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, Tony accessories, and my all-purpose non-sodium seasoning. We have the deep fry heating up to 350 right here. And we have the flour right here. And the queen put kicking chicken, onion powder, and garlic powder in the flour. You got to make sure that it's seasoned. Levels till you're flavoring your food. And we're going to do some green beans. Green peas, I'm sorry y'all. Sweet peas, I don't know why I say green beans. But, and we're going to do some jiffy cornbread. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this video, and make sure that y'all smash the thumbs up to let us know that you like the content. And also comment below how y'all doing today and what y'all have planned to kick off y'all weekend. And we also have two other channels, Alicia Southern Crew and Mississippi Shopping on a Budget. And please go over and subscribe to those if you haven't, and let the queen know that her boo thing sent you over. So y'all stay tuned. We're about to get started. Alright crew, so I have some of the chicken that was seasoned already floured. And I have the flour over here and the small pieces of chicken over there. So I can tap them and knock the excess flour off. And we have our first batch of chicken in the fire. We have 2 chicken thighs, 2 legs, and a part of the chest, the back plate of the chicken. Alright crew, here goes the first batch that we had in the deep fryer. And over here, the queen making her muffins. Look at those beautiful wings. Alright crew, so here's the fried potatoes. And I season them with salt, black pepper, and garlic powder right there. And she's gonna smother them in cheese. We have mild cheese, quesadilla cheese, and we got more potatoes right here. And the fryer is currently frying. And we have all our fried chicken here. Yep. And we have the sweet peas here. Chill, fill up.
And this is the
quesadilla.
cheddar.
Alright, so we're gonna let the queen season these. About to pull them up. And that's garlic powder, black pepper, then going with the salt, and I give them a shake. Oh Lord, y'all.
No, I'm putting the salt in my hand because I don't want to over salt nothing. I ain't got time.
Then this is what we gonna do. I'm multitasking. We just going. Go over the top with them potatoes. Yeah.
And Bay learned this from me. So don't let him think that this a Georgia thing he came here with.
Whatever.
He had this before he met me. I introduced him to this, didn't I?
No.
Yes, I did.
No, you haven't. Whatever. Alright, guys, I'm about to put the next batch of potatoes in there. It'll be one more layer. So there'll be 3 layers in total. 3 layers of potatoes and 3 layers of cheese.
For you guys that do not prefer y'all stuff to be fried, you can boil them with salt, pepper, butter, and garlic powder. You know, like you just doing regular boiled potatoes. and add cheese, because my mom does that as well. So you don't have to fry them.
Alright, so we'll be back, guys. Alright, crew, so we took the last batch of the potatoes out and I seasoned them, and we just gonna go over here. And that one right there that fell off the boat, it going to my belly. Fat boy.
Not getting in my belly.
Yep, get in my belly. Fat boy status.
Woo! Okay, well, I guess that one going in my belly.
Oh yeah, going to queen belly. That right, baby.
You want extra cheese as much as you want.
And hey, I don't mean to do this, but hey, shout out to our family, Cooking and Vibing with T. I'm gonna shout them out almost every video, and if I forget, oh well, I'll put it in the description box below. Please go support my brother. Go support that king. Ain't that right, love?
That's right. And I ain't forget about you. You or your wife. I haven't.
Oh yeah, also go over and show some love to Ellen. Ellen Homemade Delights, if y'all don't watch her. That's our soul sister. And shout out to our sisters that don't have a YouTube channel. Tawana, what it do, cuz? See ya. Hey, boo. Also, shout out to Risa Richardson and Galen. G Rich. Yes, sir. What up, brother? Hey, crew. Here goes the cheesy potatoes. I'm about to fix a plate and I'll show y'all the final results. Alright, crew, so here's the finished plate. We have the sweet peas, the cheesy potatoes, the fried chicken, and the cornbread muffins, guys. If you're seeing this video, you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all, like the videos, and comment on each and every video that you watch. And y'all already know the saying, pops out. Peace.